Hey everybody, here at an antique mall in North Carolina. Gonna go in and do the thing that I always do at antique malls, look for model cars, because that's the fun thing. I like antiques too, just can't afford most of them. So we're gonna go in here and check it out, so let's go. So there's never a shortage at any antique store of the Matchbox NASCAR stuff, ever. These things are always plentiful. There's, how much more? $15.95 for this thing. They've got to be out of their mind. Made by Revell. Here's a truck. NASCAR truck. Ray Bestis. I remember that truck. $8 for that one. Bobby Labonte. Yeah, these things are. There's Jeremy Mayfield. Boy, did he get run through the ringer. All kind of stuff. I'm trying to see if there's anything. Here's a Hot Wheels, guys, and they only want $3 for that guy. $19.99, first editions. Yeah, and a baby doll. If any of you guys are interested, the baby doll is $9.50 without clothes. Kind of little wooden car you get from Lowe's. Yeah. Here's a Dodge Viper. Oop, Dodge Viper diecast with the V10, and a seat has fell out. Cool. Here are 4 Hobby Lobby specials. Looks like $26 a piece. This is a popular kit, and then everybody's had that, at least 5 of those. But yeah, these are $25 and $26, and you can tell that they probably just got them at a they got Hobby Lobby 40% off, and bring them here and add the 40% back and try and sell them. They won't get my money on those today. Look at this, Racing Champions. I don't know what year this is. They want $50 for this thing. Dale Earnhardt Series number 1. I wonder if it's really worth that. They got some older guys. J.D. McDuffie. Jamie, didn't he die in a crash? Neil Bonnet, he definitely did. Daytona. Both of these guys died at Daytona. Davey Allison, helicopter crash. So, I haven't really seen anything until I come around this corner right here. And I've been to this one before, and it's NASCAR kits. Airplane kits, he's had some pretty cool stuff. There's some of these. Hawk, the surfer board guy, $15. And then there is the, let's see, there's some kind of frantic banana guy. Got several. I don't know how he gets these kids. Kodak Olds. This is the, I think it's Irvin, is it? The name isn't on the, over the door. They took it off. Dirt Devil, Pontiac, and the Snicker Bar, Rick Wilson. They're all $20 for these NASCAR kits, which is really more than you would want to pay. Some teeny little Revell. Looks like some Russian or Russian-made kits. Zvid. How do you say that? Well, can't say anything if it won't focus. Never heard of that one. Old airplane that's in a bag. Don't know what the brand is on that one. 48 scale. There's a bunch of airplane stuff here. But I don't do airplanes. There's Ertl. Whiskey. Never saw that brand either. And up here, ours is they got one of those metal Corvettes. I think I got that kit. already. There's Mr. Mark Martin. Oh, here's the Heinz 57. Number 57 Heinz ketchup stock car. Looks like Hut Strickland, $19. And then two of these. Number 44. Who was that? Hamilton fella. Was he driving this one? I don't know. There's two of those. These are both $20 a piece. I just $20 for a NASCAR kit's a little. You can get them that all day long on eBay. And then these two kits here. And here's a cool one. Look at this one. So I don't think this is a NASCAR. It says Felpro Thunderbird, but the way the body looks doesn't look like it's not, you see. $35 for this one. Maybe this one's valued a little more. What's this year? 1990. So it's not like it's a NASCAR kit, it's some other kind. It also has different wheel centers. It's got bigger like wheel hubs. I don't know if they take any less for it, but that would be something that I'd be interested in there. This is pretty neat. This is a Petty family, like baseball card, or, you know, cards. And this is before, I suppose, before Adam Petty passed away. But that's pretty neat. You got Kyle, Adam, Richard. And you can always find you a good Haynes manual if you ever come across a Tempo or Topaz that you've got. 84 through 87. You can come get this book here. Know all about it. I don't even know if they put books out like that anymore because the cars are now so computer or a scanner reliant. There's an old Thunderbird book. So what the biggest takeaway is if you come to an antique store, you're always going to find NASCAR stuff. It's just always going to happen. They must have made 10 billion of these things, and like 9 billion of them couldn't sell, so they end up in antique stores. There's a little 24 scale Corvette. I mean, Mercedes there. That's pretty cool. Die cast, of course. And there's a Rusty Wallace 40 Ford. That's pretty neat. But there's just so much. There's some old hats. There's your 89 Goodwrench Rockingham 200 hat. $8. That's pretty neat. There's a bunch of old hats. Mopar Nationals. Alright, so ended up getting that Tom Jones Thunderbird. It's an ASA car. That's what that is. That's why it looked funny. And got the Heinz. You get all the little pieces with this one, so I got that one too. So anyway, that was fun. Thanks for coming along. And look how pretty that is back there. Probably can't tell anything about it, but man, that is so beautiful. The leaves are starting to change. Anyway, thanks for coming along. And I don't do these very often. You got to go out of town to do these. I don't have them where I live. But thanks for coming along and checking this out. It was short and sweet, kind of. But the objective was met. Hunt model cars and find them and buy them. Anyway, alright guys, so you take care, and don't forget to do all those things that are in the description below. Hobby Nut Models, Teespring, Patreon, all the other little sites and things that are in there. Go check that out, and we'll see you guys on the next one.